Yo, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with the Ring doorbell security cameras. Today we're going to be looking at a product that is similar to that one. It is by a company called Playcuy. Before we get started, just want to give you guys a heads up. Playcuy did send these out to me to try out, so big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated, but as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So guys, again, this is similar to the Ring doorbell security camera. So in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs. We're going to set it up and we're going to see what the quality is like. All right, guys, so this is the box they come in. We've got some Playcuy branding up top, picture of the doorbell camera front and center. And on the side here, we've got some contents of what's inside the box. You can pause here if you want to check that out now. And then on the right side, we've got some specs. And you can pause here again if you want to check that out. And on the back side here, we've got some QR codes. Scan this so that you can download the app. So on the back here, we've got some QR codes to download the app. You will need to download that so that you can use the features of the camera. All right, so without further ado, let's unbox these. All right, so we get a quick startup guide. Got a sticker, 24-hour surveillance. Very cool. And next up, we've got this little sticker that you can place on the wall and it'll have your markings for where you want to mount your screws. So very cool to have that. And we've got more mounting hardware. We've got a USB 8 to USB-C cable to charge it up. Oh, nice. This is the Siren, and it comes with 3 AAA batteries. Very cool. And then last but not least, we've got the security camera. All right, so this is the camera, guys, the doorbell. Got the button for the doorbell. Cool. Got some Playcuy branding. And we got your camera lens right there. On the right side here, we've got a USB port and your SD card slots. So you can record to the SD card and it'll also pop up in the app. So you can download the videos that's on the app to your phone. You'll have copies that way. So very cool, guys. All right, guys, so now that we got the unboxing out of the way, let me go ahead and charge this up and I will mount it to my door and we'll see what the quality is like. All right, guys, so we're gonna pair up this camera to my phone real quick. I've got the app downloaded. It is called Cloud Edge. And again, you just scan the QR code for the phone that you're gonna be using it on. I'm using it on my iPhone, so I scan the iOS and it downloads this app from the App Store and you set up an account. All right, guys, so here we go. We're gonna add a new device. Pick Smart Doorbell. Click on the doorbell.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device.
All right, we did that already.
Press the button and tap next.
We've done that already.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds.
We've done that already.
Wait for the
It's inside here.
indicator light to flash red.
It's flashing red, so we're good there. All right, so you pick your network. Got mine here. Set that up, hit next.
Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code and let your device scan the code. Keep your phone 5 to 8 inches from the lens.
All right, I hope you guys heard all that. So you're gonna get a QR code like that and you let the camera do its thing. Then it turns blue. That means you are paired. All right, so add successful. Hopefully you can see that. All right, guys, so we've got it paired now. So I will set this up at my front door and we'll see what it looks like. Actually, you know what, guys, before I set this up outside, let's see what the doorbell sounds like. Oh snap. And then you also get a text on your phone. You've got a visitor. That's cool. That's cool. I like that. I like that. Especially if I'm upstairs in the office and I get someone that stops by. They ring the doorbell and it sends me a call. It actually called my phone to let me know that there was someone in the front door. Very cool. All right, guys, so we are back. We've got it set up on the front door. And let's take a look at the quality, the video quality through the app. So there it is. Hopefully you guys can see that. You know what's crazy? It's starting to snow. And it's what, May 9th? It's not gonna stick, but it's pretty crazy how we're still getting snow when summer's supposed to be starting, you know? Crazy. But guys, this is what it looks like via the app. Let's zoom in. That is front door. And again, you can record on an SD card. They do offer subscription plans so that the videos can be recorded via Playcuy's cloud service. And I don't think it's very expensive. So you can certainly check that out if you are interested in that. Fortunately, there's not very much color. It is very cloudy out there. But I'll throw up some pictures on the community tab on YouTube once I get some sunshine so we can see the blues and things like that of the clear skies. But right now, that's what it looks like. Not bad. It's supposed to be 2K. I don't really have a good way to verify that, but to me, just reviewing it this way, it seems fine. So let me read off some of the specs of this camera real quick. So again, it's got 2K video, a wireless doorbell system, battery operated. We've got two-way audio, so you can talk to the person that's at the door, which I think is cool. Then we've got an anti-theft siren, PIR motion detector. And again, they offer cloud storage. And the doorbell offers a 4.3 aspect ratio. It has 2K night vision, and it is IP65 water resistant. So not going to be a problem if it's outside in the elements. And again, here's the app. We've got live video going on. You got history tab, cloud, and you can take a screenshot. The intercom here. You can record also. Motion detection. Got a siren, your album. And again, what's really cool is that if you have someone in the front door, the doorbell calls you to let you know that someone's out there, which is cool for someone like me. If I'm up in the office, I won't hear the doorbell. Even the built-in doorbell, I rarely hear it if I'm working. Ooh, there goes the school bus. But yeah, guys, what was I saying? Yeah, it calls you. And if you don't like that feature, you can turn it off. So this is coming in at right around 45 bucks. There is a 5% coupon if you buy it through Amazon. And I think it's decent. I think it's good. I mean, 2K video, wireless everything, easy to install, easy to use. So I think it's a solid pickup if you guys are in the market for a doorbell security camera. All right, guys, if you guys are interested in the doorbell security camera, I'll post a link in the description in case you want to check it out. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. As always, I'm John at TEMU. I'll see you in the next one.